On 10th February, Jyotsna Robert ma'am and Manohar Suryavanshi sir inaugurated an exhibition, A2Z Expo Money Matters, for primary and secondary sections respectively in Oxford Public School, where ma'am mentioned,
a small age you all are getting this, and parents, I would applaud you all for motivating your children with this money matter subject.
over 100 students along with their parents and 10 mentors worked together as a team for over a month to prepare and present 52 financial concepts, from A for audit, B for bank, C for capital gains, to X for Zeno currency, Y for yield, and Z for zero rate payroll. 1,000 plus school students and 200 plus parents with their children visited the exhibition. They listened to the concepts of presentation, they saw the models and the charts, they learned new concepts, discussed and even debated. The highlight of the exhibition was the wide age range of the visitors, from the 4-year-old toddler to the 64-year-old grandparents. They appreciated the efforts of the school and the management for this initiative. They said,
students explaining me about concepts like digital currency, concepts like how a bank functions. Basically, will help them decide to, when tomorrow they open a bank account, how would they operate it, whether to take loan or not. I think the journey of entire entrepreneurship goes in their mind, because tomorrow if you need an investor, right, they need all these concepts.
आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स लोगों से सुनना पड़ा। काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने तो ऐसी ऐसी बात बताई कि हमें उसका नॉलेज था भी नहीं।
So I like that. And I like that you are encouraging the students. And it is very good for students and very innovative concept. I like that. And all students are also studied very good for their concept.
अच्छा लगा क्योंकि जो जो हम लोगों को नॉलेज नहीं है उसके भी बारे में पता चल गया यहाँ पर।
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा।
The concept is really very good.
It was really nice and my son learned everything about the business.
the exhibition closed on a positive note with a promise from the organizing team that this is just the beginning of making India financially literate through holistic family learning. One student, one family at a time.